On the 30th of January 2020, the World Health Organization declared the outbreak of COVID-19 to be a public health emergency of international concern. According to the WHO, coronavirus disease or COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. It is mainly transmitted through droplets from an infected person through cough, sneezes, or exhales. Due to the increasing number of people contracting the virus, people were advised to stay indoors, socially distanced, and sanitized. This eventually led to reduced human activity around the globe. For some people, it may seem like this is an opportunity for Mother Nature to heal, but did this pandemic actually benefit our environment, or did this lack of human care worsen it? Here are some of the major positive and negative effects on the environment in the continuing community quarantine and lockdown in the countries worldwide. In terms of positive effects, air pollution reduction. The lockdown led to a decrease in emissions and its subsequent levels of air pollution due to the decrease in human activities that have happened. The private use of vehicles and the shutdown of factories that have resulted in less greenhouse gas emissions such as carbon monoxide and nitrogen dioxide. The decrease in GHG emissions has immensely helped in the recovery of the ozone layer. Environmental recovery. While people are in their homes affected by the global lockdown, wildlife are reclaiming their lost habitats that humans have unfortunately been abusing. The decrease in disturbances in urban and remote areas have given many ecosystems and habitats the opportunity to recover from damage and for other species to occupy the cleaner waters. Due to the lockdown, the world has seen positive changes in the cleanliness of flowing water sources. Closing factories have resulted in less industrial waste being discarded, resulting in less water pollution. We can observe noticeable changes in rivers such as the Ganges and the Yangtze River. In terms of negative effects, energy resources. Due to the continuing lockdown brought by a huge number of cases of COVID-19, energy resources like oil and electricity are negatively affected. In connection with that, the global outputs have greatly declined in such a way that the global oil demand was strongly hit, showing us a decline of 5% in the first quarter of 2020. At the same time that the electricity demand has also shown us an alarming reduction of greater than 20% due to the lockdown protocols. That is why some areas like urban ones experience most of blackouts that disturb online classes of students, affecting their performance or grade and the chance to learn in this time of pandemic, as well as disturbing and interrupting other important endeavors. Haphazard disposal. The domestic use of PPEs such as face masks and face shields when interacting with people from community quarantine shelters has resulted in increased healthcare wastes. Because of the lack of knowledge and disposing medical waste, people have started to discard masks, face shields, PPEs in open areas, leading to more pollution in the environment. Sanitation. The extensive use of disinfectants on community quarantine shelters, isolation sites, and residential areas have resulted in unintended killing of beneficial species. With insights on both perspectives, is the continuing community quarantine and lockdown in countries worldwide affecting the environment more positively or negatively? The answer lies in between. The lockdown may result in pollution reduction, the recovery of the ozone layer and wildlife, but it has also affected millions of families around the globe that depend on the income of their jobs for daily needs. However, this can serve as a lesson that we are able to restore the beauty of our planet if we really try our best to take care of it.